Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Now let us move with straight-through cable. Straight-through cable has identical ends, which connects the computer to a network hub or router. In this video, we will use T568A for the both ends of the cable. Still, we have the same process just like what we did for crossover. We have our materials: Ethernet cables for Cat5e, RJ45 crimping tool and connectors, wire stripper, and Ethernet cable tester. First, strip the cable, then spread and untwist the pairs. Arrange the wires in an order of green, green, orange, blue, blue, orange, brown, brown. Always trim and flatten their ends to even the tips and to achieve the appropriate length of the stripped wire, which is 1/2 inch. Then plug the wire into the RJ45 connector with the clip facing down. Before crimping the RJ45, make sure the color order of the wire is correct to avoid you from repeating the process from the top. Then use the crimper to crimp the RJ45. Lastly, after finishing the both ends of the cable, test your straight-through cable to the Ethernet cable tester. In every number combination, they have an identical value since it is a straight-through. And we're all done for network cable.